I can talk about this product all day just because this product is like my holy grail product at the moment. It's not even skincare anymore, it's this product. So you guys, I swear by this product, like really I love it so much. And yeah, okay guys, so my hair is still quite dumb, but you guys can already tell how shiny it is. I love it, you guys. Okay guys, so first up, before I start with the actual review, I wanted to give you guys a background about my hair and why this video is so important to me. Okay, first off, I think that was last year, or is it last year? Yeah, I did bleach my hair 3 times to achieve that like very blondie hair, and then I colored it pink, I colored it silver, but it didn't work out, so I colored it again pink, and then after that I got really tired, so I colored it black, and then I colored this part of my hair green. So my hair has been so damaged. It's been a problem for a few months now because I've noticed that my hair is super dry. Like I always have to have it in a ponytail just because when I put my hair down, it doesn't look good at all. It looks so frizzy, it looks so dead, and I've been struggling with that for so long that I had to remove all of my heating tools just because I don't want to use them, I don't want to see them, I don't want to damage my hair anymore. And I've used a lot of like different hair oils and stuff like that, but it didn't work out for me. Still on a hunt for the perfect hair mask, hair treatment that I could find. Like I'm always on a hunt, I'm always trying different products, but then I got allergies. Yeah, I got allergies from, so I stopped using them again just because I get a lot of rashes like on this area. It's always, and this area of my scalp started hurting like so bad, you guys, and I get a lot of itches on this area. And yeah, that's because I've been using a lot of different hair treatments that my scalp became very damaged and very sensitive. So I stopped using them again, and then I found out this product that I wanted to talk about and I wanted to share it just because I think this is helpful, especially if you're like me or if you style your hair a lot and if you get allergies from hair treatments. I got you, girl. Okay, so the product that I wanted to talk about is the Jsoop Purple J Water Pack. I've actually seen this a lot like from reviews, and I wanted to try it out myself, so here you go. So first thing I love about this product is the fact that it is a waterless hair mask. That means it's gonna save you a lot of time, it's gonna save you a lot of effort, and that is just amazing. Because one of the reasons why I don't really like using hair masks is because the time it takes for me before I could rinse it off. So I don't like waiting like 15 minutes, 20 minutes for my hair before I could rinse it off. So this product is perfect for me because I can just use this any time of the day. Whenever I wash my hair, I can... Fun fact, I almost dropped my camera and I almost had a heart attack. Okay guys, as I was talking about, one of the best thing I love about this product is the fact that you don't have to rinse it off. So if you're on the go, if you're in a hurry, you can just leave it on your hair and wait for it to dry, and then you're good to go. But also you can also blow dry it if you wanted to see like the best result. But I didn't blow dry my hair like I said earlier, and it's already so good and so smooth. I love it. I love the way it looks now, I love the way it feels now, and the fact that I've only used this for like a week is amazing because I've already seen a result, and I can attest you guys to that. Like I swear by this product, I love it. Also guys, one of the best things I love about this product is the fact that it has thermal activation formulas. So whenever you use tools on your hair like hair dryer, hair straightener, hair curlers, it immediately activates the thermal stuff on your hair, so it's gonna protect your hair from the heat, which is what excites me the most about this product. Just because I really do wanted to style my hair again, I wanted to curl it again, I wanted to straighten it again. So this product is like amazing. It's really such a blessing for me because now I can do that because I can count on this to protect my hair. So I love it so much. So guys, one of the best thing I love about this product, I cannot leave this information because this product is hypoallergenic. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe it. So guys, the fact that this product is 3-in-1, its essence, its treatment is amazing. Like, I did my research just because I love this product so much. I wanted to know everything about it, and I think this retails for $50. If I'm mistaken, I will be probably correct myself here, but yeah, you get like 200 ml of product for $50, which I think is such a good deal. So my hair is almost completely dry. You guys can see it's so shiny, so smooth. I love it. I love it. Like, my hair has never looked this good for a few months now, and I'm surprised it's starting to look good. It's starting to look healthy again, and the moisture is back. I'm so happy. Are my review about this product. If you guys are interested in this product, I will be putting the link on the description box below. Also, this product is available at blingdeer.com. So I will be putting their website, the link, all the information that you need to know, and all the things that I talked about on the description box below, just in case you have questions, or just in case you wanted to know more about this product before using it, before purchasing it. It will be on the description box below, so please make sure to check it out. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please hit like and subscribe to my channel if you do so, and I'll see you in my next one.